Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody. Today guys we will take a look at the Australian dollar because gold market was closed on Friday during the celebration of the Easter holiday. And we mostly, since gold market stands really flat in recent week, we have discussed everything already that stand in relation to the current retracement on the gold market. We have estimated the potential targets that we expected to see, possible patterns that could be formed there. So last time we have taken a look on Friday. That's why currently, guys, I see no big sense with the discussion of the gold market again. We probably will continue to prepare the daily update on the gold market as soon as market will open on the next week. Meantime, I thought that it will be better if we will prepare the analysis on another currency pair. I have chosen the Australian dollar because it has really nice setup that's now is forming here, and also because Australian dollar has relation to the gold market, so it's some kind of the gold related currency. And by following the Australian dollar in this research, we some kind is following to the gold market as well. So we have taken a look at the Australian dollar not as far. This was approximately 2 weeks ago, and mostly we have the positive view on Australian dollar in a long-term perspective by many reasons. So first of all, because Australian dollar has Australia has the health rate, so it's more than the 3%. So it's a very nice rate. Also, the economy of Australia is stands a bit isolated. So because it stands on a separate continent and a self-sufficient economy, the companies, the mining companies of the Australia, I mean the coal mining, the iron ore, the gold mining companies, all of them have really not bad statement, and most of them are possible to generate the positive cash flows. So that's why the economy of the Australian and the major areas of industry, this mining industry, stands in a very good position compared to other companies and that stands in a different part of the world and the same industry. So that's why we could really positively look at the Australia and an Australian currency. Also, Australia, as you know, there's some kind of the center in the Asian region is the financial center, one of the financial centers. It has very good geographical position, so it's a warm climate there. So this really brings a lot of advantages. That's why currently we think that Australian dollar could become the very great opportunity and alternative to investors who are searching for the healthy return on their investments. And if we assume that Australian dollar will continue its appreciation, so getting that 3-5% of the carry trade with the growing currency, is just the dream that investors could dream on. So that's about the long-term perspective. And the short-term perspective, if you remember, guys, our recent discussion, we said, well, market, last time when we have thought on the Australian dollar, when we have discussed Australian dollar, was here in this area. And market stands with the progress with this ABCD pattern that hasn't been quite reached yet. And we said that initially, guys, we expect first the hitting of the 1618 target of this ABCD pattern. As you can see, this has been done already. Second, we expect the normal retracement here to the downside. And our favorite level that we expect to get is confluence areas 73.16, 73.35 area on the daily chart. The reason that we expect a retracement right to this area but not that one stands on a higher time frame chart. On the weekly chart, guys, market also stands at overbought. And usually when the market stands at overbought on the weekly chart, we ignore the nearest fib level, because as a rule, market shows great retracement because the weekly hour BOT presses on the market, and that forces it to break the nearest support. Another reason why we are watching mostly for these couplings, not just because this is a much stronger level than this one, but because this also the neckline of the large weekly double bottom pattern. So market already has broken the neckline, has hit the hour BOT, and now stands on retracement. So retesting of the neckline seems very logical, and this makes this area even stronger. That's why we're mostly watching for this area. At the same time, guys, we have to acknowledge that market right now has no reasons for any fake spikes, wash and rinses of this top, or something of that sort. Other words speaking, no reasons for the fake breakout of this top, because as you can see, target already has been completed. No other target stands slightly above this top. That's why no reasons for any spikes here exist. For example, if market has turned down, but the target hasn't been hit and stands slightly higher than this top, in this case we said be extra careful because market could return a big down, hit this target, and then start retracement. But this is not the case, guys, right now. As you can see, market already has touched the target. That's why this leads us to conclusion that if market suddenly, by some reason, will turn up and will exceed this top, this probably will mean that market stands in a continuation to the next target. Our next target, guys, stands at 78.50. All these numbers you will find in our weekly research, so if you will read it on our forum, so there we are explain why we have this target, why the 78.50, and so on. So right now on the daily update and daily video, we mostly are interested with this retracement down. So that's why, guys, here we expect mostly deeper retracement right to this area. The pattern that could trigger this retracement stands mostly on the 4-hour time frame chart, and this pattern is potential head and shoulders. As you can see, it's very interesting that the neckline of this head and shoulders stands at the weekly pivot support one, but this is also 74.40 area, and if you will take the daily chart, guys, you will see that 74.40 is also the fib level and is also daily reversal. This brings another advantage for us because by the combining such strong levels, it's possible, it probably unavoidable result will be bounce, and that will significantly increase the chance on appearing on the hand shoulders, because this bounce will be the starting point of the forming of the right shoulder. That's clear. So this strong support, market probably will hit it. And since this is really strong support, this will makes almost definitely appearing of the right shoulder. At the same time, guys, if we will suggest that the top of the right shoulder will be equal to the left, so this head and shoulders will be harmonic, and we will build the ABCD pattern based on these head and shoulders, the target will be 73.40 area. And that precisely, guys, the level that we're watching for. It's very nice combination, very nice agreement. I like such sort of the agreements when the market forms. This gives me more confidence with the patterns that I'm looking on. So, what the chances really that market will reach the neckline? Well, chances are not bad, because if you'll take a look at the hourly chart, you'll see that market stands in progress with this ABCD pattern. 100% already has been hit. Market has dropped below it, now stands below it. It means that market already has passed the 100%. And as market has passed 100%, what will be the next target? Right, 1618. 1618 stands 74.40, and that, guys, creates an agreement with the same level. Very nice combination, as you can see. Also, maybe market here will form even some kind of the butterfly, because if you will measure the extension of this most recent retracement, the 1618 screen line will stand right at the same level. So maybe this will be butterfly, or maybe market will form the hand shoulders, minor hand shoulders here that will trigger the upward bounce and will put the foundation of the forming of the right shoulder with this larger pattern on the 4-hour time frame chart. So you can see a very interesting situation right now in Australian dollar that create really excellent agreement between the different patterns on the different time frames. So each pattern confirms at the time another one of the higher time frame chart. So we have hit, as you can see, ABC target here. Market is forming reversal head and shoulders, right? The target of these head and shoulders will bring us right to our favorite level that we would like to get. At the same time, inside of this head and shoulder, market has the target that points on the neckline, and right around neckline could be formed another reversal pattern that will put the foundation on the forming of the shoulder of this pattern. So this is really excellent combination. So that's why, guys, I think that Australian dollar is very interesting right now for the trading, for monitoring, and every trader will find the setup for its own trading. So scalp traders could trade, for example, this reversal to the upside with this pattern, the target right at the top of the possible shoulder. Those who trade this retracement down could trade this head and shoulders patterns. Others who trade on the daily chart could wait for reaching of this level and completion point of this head and shoulders pattern. That will let us to take the long position with the next target to the 78.50 area. So that's why I think that Australian dollar is really very promising currency with a lot of setups, and so definitely we should keep an eye on it.